we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, it's time to re-educate, much love. And then also those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And cryptos are doing exactly what they thought they were going to be doing. We know that the actual Fed repo comes due at this time. We know with a pullback. But guys, we know we're going to start moving up due to open interest. We can see that the institutional investors are actually buying the dip. And we had Morgan Stanley double its exposure to Bitcoin through Grayscale shares. And don't forget, they put in 10% in MicroStrategy. So they definitely have a hedge there. But guys, they're definitely buying this dip. But like I stated, fourth quarter, that's when we're going to be headed down. But it doesn't matter if you're a trader, because we're still going to have the dumps and pumps. That does not change. Now also, guys, with Bitcoin Lightning nodes and channels hit record highs. And we know Bitcoin Lightning is still working behind that curtain, but we see more and more implementation. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Stable coins are always going to tell us which way the market is going. Plus, we have the Fed doing, again, almost $1.3 trillion. Is out of this world, guys. But the fact is they keep manipulating yields. We know they're going to start pulling back. And then next year, summer, they said they would have completely ended. That is the goal. So we know 2022 is going to be one of the worst economic times. But we know there's going to be a distraction set up. And there's plenty of them out there. Remember, problem, reaction, solution. And then also, guys, Grayscale. Do not keep your eye on Grayscale because it let us know which way the market is going. They normally buy dips. Why? Because they know we're going to be actually moving up. And now we see Morgan Stanley has doubled its exposure. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Coinbase users can choose to deposit paychecks directly into accounts. And guys, what are they doing? They're trying to lay down the foundation for you getting paid and these stable coins crypto. Remember, guys, there is a plan in place, and they are going to be moving us through these steps. And just remember, guys, majority of these companies now are big corporations. Majority of our small businesses have actually closed. These corporations are owned by the New World Order. So now they can push the agenda on the employees to get paid in crypto eventually, especially if the dollar loses 40 to 50% of its value, and they can actually just move their money into stable coins. Remember, guys, problem, reaction, solution. They're already going to have the solution in place, but they have to take you through the actual steps. Now we have permission DeFi platform Aave Arc gears up for launch. Also, we have Bacon Protocol launches decentralized mortgage platform. And guys, we know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. I've done several videos on real estate and mortgages. And remember, the word mortgage means what? Death note. You're correct. Now we have Verifone to enable crypto payments at major retailer through BitPay. And guys, what is that doing? Pushing more adoption. Now we have stablecoin pegged to Peru's currency launches on Stellar Network. And we know Stellar is another one that gets no news, works behind the scenes, and does the exact same thing as Ripple's XRP. And lastly, guys, we have Facebook announces $50 million investment fund tasked with developing its virtual metaverse. And how many times I've been over this, guys? Time and time again since I started this channel. Facebook is the perfect platform for the United States, the same way China has this platform. Facebook is the perfect social platform. Social shopping, social working, social gaming, everything is going to be on this platform. When you get on Facebook, you're going to be an avatar. Sounds crazy, but just remember the crypto teacher told you, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. Now, guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.
Meantime, I want to get down to the New York Stock Exchange this morning. Jim Cramer joins us now. Jim, we were watching the 10-year move, and you're watching the markets move the opposite direction. What are we going to do?
Yeah. I mean, look, there's obviously people out at 3:30 and 4 this morning just trying to bang futures out because they expect it's going to be down even more. I can't disagree with that. You know, you've got Yellen saying that we're going to be worried about a shutdown, but you've got Powell basically, I think, caving. And I think that you notice when Steve Leisman made his comments yesterday about what Powell's going to say, that's when markets started falling. And it's going to continue to fall until everybody realizes that rates are not done going higher and the supply chain problem is not going away. This is not a good moment, Andrew. And I think that it's just kind of the wrong time. You got the end of the month, beginning of October, people get worried. Things don't get better in October till mid-October. So I think we're readjusting. Everybody is just rethinking this market. And obviously, I think that the industrial move and the bank move will now roll over because I think people are going to be really so worried about nat gas and oil.
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends. So therefore, we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam Save the Village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam Save New York. From COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.